Hi everyone. Hi everyone. This is Satyendra this side and I welcome you in Daily Dose series of Tableau visualization. The agenda of today's video is to talk about Tableau data preparation or Tableau prep. You must know this is a brand new product from Tableau which was designed to help everyone quickly and confidently combine, shape and clean their data for data analysis and visualization. This is the direct visual experience which gives you a deeper understanding of your data so that smartly you can manipulate, clean, pivot, create joins, do union and different other operations within the data, right? Having said that, let's go ahead and open Tableau Prep from your system. You get Tableau Prep Builder. If you have old version of Tableau, you might get the same tool as name of Tableau Prep, whereas in the new or advanced versions, the same tool is called Tableau Prep Builder. So this is not the time to get confused between Tableau Prep and Tableau Prep Builder. Let's talk about the beauty, the features, and the functions of Tableau Prep Builder. I've just clicked on it, let it open, and we'll go through the different and various options provided by Tableau Prep Builder. As soon as you open Tableau Prep Builder on your system, you see several options like open a flow, which means if you already created a flow, it's saved on your system, or it's already deployed or published on a server, you can open that. However, connect to data gives you flexibility to create a new flow. Let's do that. I've just clicked on it, tab connect to data. I'll be clicking to Microsoft Excel and will connect to our sample superstore Excel file. Once you connect to your Excel sheet, you see the all three sheets which are coming from your sample superstore, like order, people, and return. Over here, we can drag one sheet and then we can talk about different other options what Tableau Prep provides, right? So you could have seen as soon as I dragged it here, I can see a card which says order. There is a plus icon with it, but whereas there is a plus icon on connections as well. This looks similar to what we generally get in Tableau Desktop, right? So this is the place wherein basically you can connect to your different data sources. And yes, you got it right. We can apply all those operations, whether it is join, whether it is union, scripting, we'll talk about it more, and then inserting different other flows, aggregation, pivoting, and cleaning steps, what generally we have been doing on data tab of your Tableau Desktop, right? We can apply all those operations and we can skip internal joins of Tableau Desktop. We can skip data blending of your Tableau Desktop. We can do all those operations right here, enhancing the performance of our visualization. Got it? So that's the beauty of Tableau Prep Builder, right? Now let's go ahead and do a union and join both on this operation. I'll drag the order sheet again. And as soon as we drag it, let's put it on the orders card. You could have seen like there are two options which just appeared, join and union. So this gives you flexibility that what type of operation you want to apply here. Is it a union or is it a join? I'll just put it on union. And because in my case, data has the same structure. It's order sheet, right? It's order sheet, and that's why Tableau Prep will automatically identify and give you that what type of union it has applied, right? It will automatically identify the fields and do that union, right? So you can see that here, the number of tables which have been applied over union. Now let's go ahead and drag people over here. So as soon as we drag people, it says you want to apply this union onto the result of it, or if you want to apply the union on the one of the original sheet. So you have flexibility that where you want to do union or join, either on those individual sheets or on the result what you have got out of union. So what I'll do now, I'll just put it on join with the result of my union. And over here, you can see this was another step which is just got added. And as we know, like the filter sheet offers only two fields, region, right? So Tableau has automatically joined both my union result and um, the people sheet basis region. You can see that here. The basis what they have joined it. It will give you option also. If you have multiple fields, it will give you option also to change these, wherein you can apply join or union basis some other fields. Right now, let's go ahead and see some several other options over here. So you can see clean step. It will help you to clean your data type things, or let's say you want to split your columns, that operation you can apply. Aggregate, you can do your aggregation right here. You don't need to go to Tableau Desktop and then apply aggregation. You can apply your aggregation like sum, average, standard deviation, all those type of aggregations right here. You can pivot your data. For example, you need months on column, right? Generally in order date or sales date or ship date, you get date field. But let's say if you need that data in terms of columns, you can pivot that right here and then go further from here. Join and union we have already saw. Let's explore this option, which is called script. I'll click on script. We'll see what happens. Right. So as soon as we have clicked on script, you can see like the two options R serve and Tableau Python TAFPy server options have enabled, which means this is the same feature which we used to get in Tableau Desktop while connecting to our R server or Python server, right? This is the same option, which means on data preparation level itself, you can call those scripts and utilize the feature of power of R and Python server so that you can get that analysis added into your data flow itself. This is the data flow what we are just creating, right? So right now I don't need to create any of these two. I'll just go ahead and right click and remove this control. Further to this, you can go ahead and insert flow, which means let's say you have already created a flow and which is maybe published on Tableau server, or is it on a your local, you can drag that flow right here, right? Which means you can append that flow after these operations. Now, I'm not going to do anything like that. I'll just go ahead and create an output of my data flow. So I'll just click on output, right? This is the output which you can see here in the data view tab. With that, it gives you flexibility to save this output wherever you want, right? Over here, you can see the two options, save to file, which means it will create a Tableau data extract file and save it on local if you wish, or you can publish the source. You can publish this data flow as a data source onto Tableau server. Both the options are there. Now, you might realize that while working without data prep tool, we have been kind of connecting to our data, creating extract, then publishing our visualization and data source both to Tableau server, right? Now, half of the part, anything related to data, we are managing right here in Prep Builder. We don't need to do that in Tableau Desktop. The only thing what we will be doing going forward if we are using Tableau Prep Builder is like once we create and save our data source and data extract into Tableau server, in Tableau Desktop, we will only be connecting to those data extracts or Tableau, data sources. There is no need to work on data. Now, on the security point of view, people can control their data through this data prep. No need to give access to the complete team. Number one. Number two, you can enhance your performance a lot because the complete data mechanism, data cleaning, data churning, data transformation is being done on a separate tool which is known as Tableau Prep Builder, right? So now Tableau Desktop is whole soul for your Tableau visualization, storyboarding, and dashboards. You got the point? Yes. In case you have a question over here, guys, feel free to put a comment on this window right here. And as a last step, I'm going to run this flow. You'll see that what operations and steps this particular flow is going to do. So over here, it gives me the details that as soon as I run this flow, it is going to save my extract at this particular location, which is my Tableau Prep repository and data sources folder. And the name of this data flow will be, extract will be output.hyper. Though I have already created one Tableau output hyper, so that's why it is asking me to replace that. I can change the name also if it is required right here, but I'll just go ahead and click on replace. And yes, You can see my flow is running, right? It took only 3 seconds to run, and it has saved a data extract into my location. That was all about W Prep Builder. Guys, feel free to ask any question and drop any comments onto this video. I will be very happy to answer that. This was all about today's session. We'll meet again. Till then, have a nice time. Stay safe. Thank you.